guys? It is Thursday, our Metcon today, right? So broke it up into 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. A, it's gonna be every 30 seconds for 5 minutes. You'll have either 5 to 8 handstand push-ups. That is any styles. I can go strict, kipping, whatever you want to work on for that 5 minutes, or if not, either or, right? Either I can go also 2 to 8 to 10 push-ups. Right, you're choosing that, and then from there we're going to go right into another 5 minutes for every 30 seconds. It's going to be 4 to 6 pistols. If you want, right, it's just going to be 4 to 6 pistols total, alternating legs. You can go to a bench or to whatever you have that's simulating like a box, you squatting down. Right, so on that pistol, it's basically that single leg squat. I'll go down, touch, and then drive straight up. On here, really try to focus on that touch, drive straight up. Just don't sit down and then chillax and then rebounce up, right? You want to stay nice and active into that heel, in that glute, in our quads, everything that's requiring for us to squat. From there, we're going to go into part C. It's going to be every 30 seconds, same format for 5 minutes, alternating V-ups, 6 to 8 reps total, right? So we're going to be laying out flat from here. I'll go opposite arm, opposite leg coming up, reaching as high as I can. That's 2, 3, either go up to 6 or 8, just total. And then from there, you go right into another 30 seconds for 5 minutes, 6 to 8 reps of thrusters. If you have a dumbbell, barbell, whatever you have, rock that. Or if not, med ball cleans, right? So the med ball clean, medicine ball is in the middle of our feet, comes up into that triple. I go right underneath it, squatting down, driving up. Cool. Other than that, our warm up. So we're gonna have 2 rounds. It's gonna be 20 of those prone T's. So we're going to be in that Superman position or in that prone position. We're going to be out to a T, controlling it, engaging into those scaps, and then pulling straight up, right? Really try not to just flop up and down, or if anything, pick up that chest while my feet are coming up, right? Just looks weird. And then from there, you're going to a 10-second handstand hold if you are going into handstand push-ups. If not, it's going to be just a 15-second push-up plank hold. And then from there, you're going to 20 prone Ys. So this time I'll be in a Y format. Same thing, right? Gauging into those scaps, pulling down, and then controlling it up and down. And then from there, you're going to another 10-second handstand hold or that 15-second push-up plank. And then from there, you're going to 3 negative handstand push-ups. Same format if you are going handstand push-ups for the workout. Go with the 3 negatives on the handstands. If not, you're going to these 5 negative hand release push-ups, right? So I'll start up at the top of the plank, slowly control my way down, and then as I get there, release my hands and then press straight up. Boom. Same thing, control on the way down, release, press up. 5 of those suckers. You'll go through that twice, and then from there, just getting our ankles and hips nice and warm. So you're going to 3 rounds, 20 coccyx squats. Legs out wide, trying to get nice and low on each rep, right? Just 20 total, and then from there you're going to a 30-second single leg wall sit hold. So we'll just find a wall. Leg's gonna be at that 90. From there, 1 leg's up, holding that for 30 seconds. And then from there, I'll go into these 20 box ankle stretch. Just have something that you can lift up your legs up to. So if you want, use a plate, use that chair if you have it or anything. And if you do have some weight, like a medicine ball, a dumbbell, something light, you're gonna go pushing that knee forward, back. So that would be 2, push brings will come back, 3, 20 reps. So just 10 reps each side, so 10 on one side, 10 on the other. Go back into that single leg wall sit, and then from there, either if you're gonna be rocking with the chair or just without a chair, practice 1 to 2 pistols on there. And for a post walk, right, it's gonna be a nice 3-minute cool down. You can either run or walk for that cool down, and then from here you're gonna go into a 5-minute flow sesh. Just gonna be 30 seconds of a downward dog. Really use that as more as that stretch, stretching out those shoulders, getting those hips nice and high, and then those pigeon pose for reps. It's just gonna be coming down to where I'm here. I'll drop my elbows, come back up. That'll be 1, 2, right? Get all the way till you go to 10, and then from there, just a 1-minute split leg hold. So getting out wide, 1 minute just here, and then whatever time is left, start back up at the top for that 5 minutes.